So in this video, you'll learn how to delete the call log history on your Samsung Galaxy A26, A36, and A56. So if you want to clear your recent call history on your phone, then it's very simple. Just start by opening the phone app, then select Recent. Under Recent, you can see all the recent calls that you've had on your device. So in order for you to clear this call history, all you need to do is simply tap on the three dots in the top right corner and then select the option Delete. Once you've done that, simply choose all the calls that you have in the list you have here. You don't need to go through by selecting one. You can just tap on this All option to select all of them. And then once you've done that, simply tap on Delete All and confirm that you wish to delete all your call history. Once you've done that, you can see in the call log history, under Recent, you have no recent calls on your phone, which means that you've successfully cleared your history. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.